Here I've got my Weaver Fabrication high steer knuckle in, so I'll go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Packing slip. This looks like an arm. Got our cap screws. Yeah, there we go. Nice big thick 1-inch Weaver Fabrication steering arm. There we go. So, well, it cleaned it up a lot from what it was when I sent it to them. So if you can see, they've machined this upper portion of the knuckle, and it's got a keyway in it too. Few of these in there. So there it is. And that'll go up on here. Some serious high steer on 999 to 04 steering knuckle. Alright, next will be figuring out my pivot lengths to drill my arm hole locations. So, my drag link. So, oh, it even has some markings here in the bottom, 3 little dimples to get started for drilling. I'll figure out what those markings are as far as distance wise from the pivot and see which one's going to work, if any of them, for me. Alright, happy with that.